Hi there, and welcome to my video presentation about reaction of egg to a Coca-Cola. So, before we get started, let me remind you of safety purposes. One, two, three, safety gloves. Now, let's proceed. One time, I saw a video that shows how an egg puts in a Coca-Cola and it began to dissolve the eggshell. So, I decided why not try it myself to see if it's true or not. So, you need some eggs, some Coca-Cola, and a glass. First, I got the regular Coca-Cola. I poured the Coca-Cola to the glass slowly, slowly, and slow until the video is finished. Let's wait and wait and wait. And then I put the egg. You can see that there's some sort of reaction that happens on the egg and the Coca-Cola. Stop the Coke syrup. I pour it, I open it, and I pour it. Slow motion effect. Boom! That's the presentation. Just kidding. Pour. A little bit more. Then, and I put the egg on the Coke syrup. You can see that there's a reaction above. Just small reaction. And then, Coke lights. I open it. I pour. Slow motion effect. Then, pour again. Pour until, wait a minute. There. When I put it, there's a reaction too. A bubbly on top. Let's see what will happen in 24 hours. I bet it's gonna be sweat. Sorry, I forgot to film the quotes, but well, it's still hard. There's no significant changes. It just become darker and create little spots. The color, the textures, little change, but it is hard. Second 24 hours, there's a spotted at it and more darker and more nasty. On the third egg, it's more complicated to look like. In Coke regular, I accidentally put the egg without a care, so it breaks. But when I put it in 24 hours, it becomes darker and second 24 hours, the crack becomes wider and wider. On the third 24 hours, it looks like so ew, a wider crack. Color 0. Few spots are added, but it becomes more darker. It's very shiny, clean. That's all. The texture. Second 24 hours. There's a liquid that dries up. On the third 24 hours, the spots that's added and dark. Question time. Question time. Why do I choose this study? Easy. I was curious. I chose this study because I was curious what is the power of Coca-Cola. And I found out that Coca-Cola has phosphoric acid inside of it that can be dissolved calcium. And you know that eggshell are full of calcium. And can this study affect our health? And the answer is yes. This study contains serious study to find out. So when the day passed, I leave it for more than a week, and the egg in the regular Coke, it becomes softer. The egg is dissolved. I easily remove the shell without effort. Next, what will happen when you soak egg in a Coca-Cola? As finally we made the answer been solved, cook and dissolve eggshell in more than a week, more than a month, etc. It can be years, but not 24 hours and 3 days. The chemical composition of it. Egg has calcium carbonate and Coke has ulster phosphoric acid on it that can dissolve calcium that the eggshell conduct of calcium. The different effects of each Coke. It has different side effects that Coke Light just added spots and make it darker. The regular shows the big changes which is the most effective one. And lastly, the Coke series costs nothing, just a change of color, texture, and a little bit shine.